Hey guys, Artis here with Signature Realty New Jersey, and I put together a list of 10 tips on how to sell your home for top dollar in 2023. I hope you will find this video helpful, and I think it works in any market, not only this year. So let's start with three main factors that affect the sale of your home, and they are the time, which we can't control, the price, and marketing. We need multiple offers. One offer is good, but the more offers we get, the higher the selling price or the better the terms will be. Tip number one, price your home right. It is super important, so do a proper market analysis and don't overprice it. Last thing we want, especially in this shifting market, is a stale listing, typically over 60 days. If we price it right or even slightly under market value, don't worry, you will have more offers coming in and hopefully you will sell your home at a higher price. Tip number two, the curb appeal of your home is what makes people want to tour your home in the first place. So trim the grass, wash your siding, maybe paint the front door and the window shutters, plant some flowers, etc. Spending money on cosmetic improvement of the curb appeal is financially better than any other renovation work, considering the house is in good shape. Tip number three, declutter your home, depersonalize it. Remove all religious and sport theme attributes. Do a deep cleaning. Touch up any paint imperfections. Do quick and easy fixes. You can even go ahead and get an inspection done before the listing. It should speed up your negotiation and closing process. Tip number four, property description. Talk about all of the highlights your home has to offer. Fill out as many fields as possible. Mention major points of interest around your home. And also make your property easily accessible through apps like Showing Time, and make sure the logbox is easily accessible as well. Tip number five, hire a professional photographer. Get shots, videos, floor plans, aerial footage if it benefits your home. Sometimes the view outside is not the prettiest. If the home is empty, it's better to virtually stage your main rooms. It's typically not that expensive. By the way, I offer all of these services myself as I've been doing photography for a while. Tip number six, post your listing to as many sites and groups as possible. The MLS syndicates your listing to sites like Realtor.com, Zillow, where you can actually opt for premium listing if you want to. But don't stop there. Post to local Facebook groups, New Jersey real estate and investor groups. Market it to all the contacts in your database. Get in touch with all active realtors in the area. Tip number seven, run Facebook targeted ads to both local and out-of-state audience. Sometimes locals might know just too much. Target people with same interests that your property aligns with. For example, a basketball court, a wine cellar, a garden, or a workshop. Tip number eight, shop for and obtain home warranties and find all your improvement and renovation records and receipts and present them together with your seller's disclosure. It creates value for buyers. Tip number nine, schedule mega open houses at least twice a month. Why do we call it a mega open house? Well, let me tell you. First of all, we need more people in those doors. We have to create urgency. So, invite the neighbors. They may have friends or family who are looking to move in close to them. Send individual mailers to local for sale by owners and expired listings. Tell them that visiting your open house will benefit them in a way they can see what we do in order to sell homes for top dollar. Send professionally done every door delivery flyers to all the neighbors in the town. Set up balloons and directional signs in the neighborhood. Do it 1 hour before your open house. Bring food and drinks, air out, depersonalize again. Make sure all the lights and fixtures are intact. Bring nice scent diffusers and a music source. Advertise your open house on social media. Ask guests to give you some feedback at sign out. We can use it to our benefit. Maybe invite a local mortgage broker. He can pay for some expenses and qualify buyers on the spot. Alright, tip number 10. Don't do major repairs or work. Most of the time you won't benefit financially. Some buyers prefer to customize their new home to their liking anyway. Alright guys, bonus tip number 11. Hire a professional like myself so I can execute all of the above for you. This list might seem overwhelming, especially if you work full-time or take care of your kids, but this is what we do here at Signature Realty and we do it well. So please reach out if you need any buying or selling assistance in the state of New Jersey. See you next time.